Good morning and welcome to the vlog. Today I will be bringing you along with me on my paragliding adventure here in Pokhara, Nepal. This is also my first time doing this. So I was picked up on a bike by one of the staffs to head to the office first. And yup, no helmet for me. But luckily the office was only 3 minutes away from the guest house. So here is the office, Open Sky Paragliding. I had to fill up a form with my details. An insurance policy was also included in this in case of accidents. So I booked a 10 AM session through my guest house 2 days beforehand. They actually have 2 slots every day, one at 10 AM and another at 2 PM. Then from the office we headed to the takeoff point at Sarangkot Hill in a 4x4. It was about a half an hour's drive to get there. It's the start of the monsoon season now and it's been raining quite a bit, so I was hoping that the weather would be clear. This package I booked was super affordable. I've compared with a few other companies, but booking through my guest house was the cheapest. It costs 3,500 rupees for a basic 15-minute flight, but you also have the option to add more flight time, acrobatics and a GoPro recording service. These add-ons cost 1,500 each. Okay, so this bus driver seemed like he's a bit pissed off and telling our driver off, but I'm not sure. It seems like our driver was going the wrong way. Can someone translate this and tell me what the bus driver was saying in the comments, please? So we were dropped off here and took a very short hike to the top for like 5 to 10 minutes. This lady in front of me was one of the porters the company hired to help carry the gear. Nepali women are so strong. Here we have arrived at the takeoff point. The view was quite lovely from up here, although I was hoping for the skies to be clearer. One of the pilots gave us a quick brief before the flight.
Alright, so welcome everyone. Welcome to Open Sky Paragliding. So this is where we start our flying, okay? Here we gonna take it off and we will land next to the lake. We got like 3 parts in paragliding: takeoff, flying and the landing, okay? And our flying part and the landing part, it's very easy. Nothing you have to do, your pilot, he will manage everything. But on the takeoff, they'll need your help, okay? So while you guys taking off, your pilot will ask you for walking or running, so you just listen to him, okay? And please do not sit down earlier and do not jump, okay? That's very important.
I'm from
Malaysia.
Malaysia.
Yeah. You from Pokhara?
No, Nepal, no Pokhara. Far from.
Or far? Different?
Yeah, maybe a different.
Okay.
Yeah.
How long have you been doing this?
8 years plus.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Parts like a stunt acrobat also, okay? You want to stunt acrobat, then okay, extra 1,500, okay? Are you okay, comfortable? Then I will ask you, then you say me, okay?
Alright. Bro, what's your name again?
Naveen.
Nabin.
Yes, yes. Your name?
Travis.
Travis.
Yes. How many flights do you do a day? In one day?
Only 2 fly nowadays.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is first fly. Okay, this guy is gone, then we'll inside, okay? Okay, so take off, little walk please. Walk, walk, walk. Now please, that's it. Are you okay?
Yeah. So I decided to rent their GoPro, which means that the pilot would be filming during the flight too. It costed an additional 1,500 rupees. To be honest, I started feeling quite dizzy and nauseous a few minutes after takeoff. If I looked underwhelmed, that's just me trying to hold the motion sickness in and not puke. I really wanted to try the acrobatics where the pilot spins around mid-air, but I didn't think I would be able to handle it. If I were to do this again, I'd definitely take some motion sickness pills. Here we were landing next to the Fewa Lake. The flight lasted for about 15 minutes as scheduled. So apart from the motion sickness, it was a pretty relaxing experience. I really enjoyed the bird's eye view of the city from above and it wasn't frightening at all.
Okay, or feeling
Just a little bit.
Hey, hey.
You can also see vendors here selling drinks, fruits and snacks at the landing point. I wanted to buy something but I was still waiting for the nausea to wear off. So I couldn't record the ride back as I sat in the back of the truck and it was such a bumpy ride. But anyways, it was a fun experience and I'll definitely do it again. Oh, and here's a random cow walking on the streets. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you in the next video.